Dude, check this out. Look how many tools you get in just this one. This is wild, man. You get a cutter. You get another cutter. And you get the crimping tool. You get all these lugs. And give you a big bag of heat shrink. Come on, dude. Thing cuts like butter. Now you know I gotta show you guys how this thing crimps. Let's put it in there. Alright. Let's get it. Let's get it. Alright, we got it in there. You in there? Let's go. Oh, yeah. Working out the chest, man. Look at that crimp. Oh yeah, that's on there. That's on there. That's on there.